When people have been injured at a construction site accident, most of those injuries, unfortunately, are very serious. And so the person is usually very distressed. They were injured in their work, so most often they've been rendered unable to work for a time. They need medical care and treatment. And they may be getting some, but they don't know how long that's going to go on. And so they're suffering with a lot of stress. What's my future going to be like? How's all my losses going to be covered? And so we try to let them know that the part of the case they're worried about other than just their recovery, they can trust to us and we'll take care of that for them. And so one of the things we want to do other than just helping them with their legal case is to help them know we can take that stress off of them to a great level. They won't have to worry about how they're going to be compensated for their injuries, how they're going to recover for their loss of income. And so we try to talk to them about how we're going to take those things in our expertise and work on those and handle them and try to see that they're fairly compensated for what they're going through.
Well, I was at work one day and a young lady accidentally, I'm assuming, pressed the wrong button and the trunk just slammed on top of my head. And that's when I said, okay, I went to the hospital. I was hoping and praying that that hit did not cause any bad head trauma or cause me to lose, any memory loss or anything like that. I didn't get a friendly vibe from the other company, so I said, okay, I'm gonna call Christian and they'll handle it the right way.
If people have been injured in a construction site accident, one of the biggest mistakes is to make statements to the insurance company. Very often people rush over to these victims and try to get a recorded statement because these insurance adjusters want to reduce what the insurance company's exposure is. And so they know how to ask questions in a way that makes the case more favorable to them, and they're not there to help you as a victim. And so you want to be careful about that. Number two, you want to make sure you get medical care. It's very important to get the medical attention you need and to follow the doctor's instructions. If the doctor is telling you need therapy and you're hesitant to do that, please follow the doctor's advice. It's the right thing to do and it will help you recover and it will help your case.
They have been able to help me when I was having issues with being provided the help to get medicine and stuff. They got right on it. I got that medicine, appointments with doctor visits, same thing. Christian, they're always on top of everything. One phone call to them and everything goes as planned.
You need an attorney who is willing to go to court, who is what we would call a trial attorney. That doesn't mean we want to try every case, it means we're able to try your case. And so we're better able to handle your case. You also want an attorney who's experienced. There's lots of technical issues and construction site injuries, dealing with regulations on safety and protocols. And so you want to hire an attorney who has experience and an attorney who will walk through that with you. It's not going to cost them anything to talk to a lawyer. And if you talk to a lawyer who's experienced in handling those cases like we are, they're not going to charge you any money at all until and unless there's a recovery.
Call Christian. You can't go wrong. They're going to help you from start to the end, and you will be pleased and satisfied.